Mario, once again with MIA Microflight. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, 2025, and I have started my revamp of the MIA Bumblebee. This is a little helicopter that I produced um, and sold back in the around the year 2003, somewhere around there. So it's been quite a long time, and I decided to revamp this, bring it up to modern times with a direct drive brushless motor. This one used a just a regular DC motor with a gear drive on the main rotor and a just a direct drive on the tail. But I decided to bring this into CAD again because the files that I used for the original one were done for fiberglass CNC machining. I probably have those files somewhere in my some old hard disks. When I designed this, when I did this, and so I just decided it was a lot easier just to take measurements of the model and just bring it into CAD so that I can start doing all these 3D printed parts. And what you're seeing here are some of the parts that I've already done. And these are some of the. This is the 3D printed version of this frame. I actually like the fiberglass frame better because it's a little more. It's a little more sturdy and more. It's got a little more rigidity to it. Um, but the 3D printed version is not really that bad. Actually, it came out really light. So I am. This is my. I would say my first iteration. I mean, I did do a sort of a test. Just a test pattern here just to make sure that my dimensions were about right. I did have to modify this slightly because I'm going to fit a direct drive motor, and this is one of the motors that I rewound myself, for direct drive to use in this particular helicopter. I show that in some other short videos, and so that's going underneath there. You can see I had to make this plate here. On this one, unfortunately, I couldn't fit it there because of the angles here and just the dimensions with reference to the center line of the main shaft. And so I had to modify that slightly, but pretty much the rest of the frame is the same. I, um, I'm working on the landing gear, and so the landing gear will be next. I am going to redo this because the wall thickness on this one is about 1/32 in 1/32 of an inch in thickness, and so I actually made it thicker to 50 thousandths. Pretty much that's what it's looking like so far.